Now it is design view, so you can design it form one. Now I'm going to create with the simple design format. Okay, so I'm going to create a form. So as I click on form, I'll get form 2, and I'll get this all the this headings that I have taken. No, let's me delete this table, this form. Now let's go to create form. So as I click on form, I'll get the format of the form. By default, it take that this only, this format only. And as you click on this next, next, you will get the next record. And you cannot add more record here because we cannot edit form. See, I'm not getting any cursor here. Okay, and even I'm not getting any even I'm not getting any this, what we can say, text to type. Okay, here I'm not getting any option to add the text. Okay, the form we cannot edit. Okay, children, we cannot edit form.
Okay, ma'am.
Now
Okay, ma'am.
let's create a form in another way. If we want to take a design for the form, okay, so for that what we have to go, we have to go to form wizard. We have to go to more option here in the form, and we have to go to form wizard. As I go to form wizard, I'll get step by step instruction to be given for our form wizard. So I want table 1. From here you can take the query and table all. So I just want to work with table 1 only. Okay, now I'm getting all the field of table 1. So I'll just shift it here to accept the field. Okay, this I want to use. I can avoid some of them. Says suppose that I don't want maximum to be show, minimum to be show. So I have added, selected all the field except minimum and maximum. Now I'll reach to next, and here we can set our table format, that will be in column format or in tabular form. Table form means all the heading will come upward and the datas will come downward. And in column, see, one column will be, a column will be the heading column and another one will be the data column. Then in the next row also, the a column will be the heading column. Heading means the name, class, section and subjects. Okay, and this will be the detail means suppose that name will be Sonam and marks in different subject. Okay, or data sheet column is here data sheet, as the data sheet get means in row, first row also, first row will be of first row heading will be the field heading, and column heading also will be the field heading, and the between part will be the data's value. The yellow one you can see is the data's value, and the red one you can see is the field heading. Okay, and justified, you can see according to the system it will justify and it will show like this. Okay, so justify is okay now, or which one? Tableau. Tabular is okay. Let's see.
Tabular.
Okay, okay. Next. Click on next. Now here, from here you can take the style for your table. These are the style available for your table. You might have noticed all are appearing in black color, but if you go here, you can find the another color also. Just come. Okay. So here the data style you can get from here. Okay. So I have selected this. Now click on next. modify the forms design, no need to, and with the table 2 we'll finish it. Now here we are getting the format. Okay, so three way I have discussed you to create a table form. One is to design, another one is to use the default one, and next one is to do little bit uh, editing other than the designing. Okay, designing you can do, and that, yeah, in this wizard you just select the pre-design only. Okay, there are some pre-designed form available, you select from there only. Okay, and designing means you design completely of yours, you can give different colors, different background, etc. Okay, so creation of form is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here formatting a form is given here. Now let's format the form.